just a few moments, we'll be starting our presentation here in the theater. Therefore, feel free to grab a seat. You can charge your electronic and mobile devices. We're going to talk all things trucks in just a few moments, so stay tuned. Now, with over 100 years of expertise, 85 million trucks later, and part of a family of award-winning trucks, Chevrolet continues to raise the bar, having now built the strongest, most advanced heavy-duty Silverado ever, introducing the all-new 2020 Silverado HD. Now, trained to meet the needs of HD customers, our all-new Silverado was designed to make the day-to-day work and interactions with your truck easy and convenient. In fact, with a very sculpted exterior design, it shares only the roofline with our Silverado light duty, while all other pieces of sheet metal are exclusive. Now, in addition to that, it offers you two engine options, which includes the new 6.6-liter, that's a gas engine V8 with direct injection. Then, of course, there is our legendary Duramax 6.6-liter turbo diesel. Now, that's going to give you, of course, with that Allison 10-speed transmission, giving you an impressive 910 pound-foot of torque. What's even more impressive, it results in increased towing and payload capability with a max trailer area of up to 35,500 pounds, which is actually the best in class. Now, in addition to that, our Silverado HD was redesigned with customer-focused trailering technology, which includes the larger, more functional door-mounted trailer mirrors. In addition to that, you have more perimeter lighting, and of course, an integrated bed step, and a larger corner step that makes getting in and out of your cargo box quite easy and convenient. But of course, it didn't just stop there. Chevrolet continued to raise the bar when it came to our Silverado light duty. Now, of course, that vehicle was also redesigned from the ground up for improved efficiency, performance, capability, and durability. In fact, it boasts a bold design and larger wheelbase by 4 inches, allowing for more space and comfort. In addition, you have the new Durabed. Now, this Durabed is the most functional bed of any pickup, with, of course, best-in-class cargo volume. Now, it features things like a high-strength steel box, 12 standard corner tie-downs, a large corner step for ease of entry, an available 120-volt outlet, cargo box lighting to assist you while you work, and of course our segment-exclusive power tailgate down and up, which is actually standard on our High Country and an available option on our LTZ. Now, speaking of trim levels, the light duty comes with 8 new trim levels to suit every customer's lifestyle and your utility needs. So whether it's the basic functionality of your work truck, or the refined comfort of your High Country, or the aggressive capability of the Trail Boss, there is something for everyone. Now, of course, it comes with 6 engine and transmission combinations, and also the new dynamic fuel management system. Now, this system pretty much allows you to operate 17 different patterns of cylinder deactivation to help optimize your power and efficiency to the vehicle. But of course, it also will be available in a 3-liter inline-6 Duramax turbo diesel with a 10-speed transmission. You also have 4 different drive mode selectors to assist you while you're driving in various terrains and, of course, road conditions. In addition to that, you have your advanced trailer camera system. Now you have features like auto park brake assist, your hitch guidance with a hitch view, and an advanced trailer camera package that actually gives you that 270-degree view, giving you the confidence to tow and trail just about anything, anywhere, at any time. Now, of course, we can't talk about all this and not talk about safety. Our #1 priority here at Team Chevrolet. It's designed with a suite of 14 advanced safety options, driver assist technologies like rear camera mirror, and of course heads-up display. And once you're on the inside, you won't want to get out. In addition to all of the comfort and convenience, you have connectivity on the go. Features like Wi-Fi, 4G LTE, OnStar, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, all providing very simple and intuitive ways for you to use your smartphone while you're in your vehicle. So you can see with our Silverado, heavy duty, and our light duty, it definitely builds upon our iconic legacy of building the most dependable, longest lasting, full-size pickup trucks that are currently on the road. I'd like to thank you so much for your time and attention. My name's Eva. I'd be more than happy and delighted to answer any questions you may have. We also have a host of knowledgeable product specialists that are on the floor to further assist you. Also, for all of our Chevy truck owners, we would love to sign you up for our Chevy Truck Legends program. It's a way to say thank you as we commemorate our centennial of 100 years of building the most dependable, longest lasting full-size pickup trucks. And I'm sure you're wondering, how are you eligible to be a truck legend? Well, if you currently own a Chevy truck 100,000 miles or more, or you've ever owned 2 or more Chevy trucks, please definitely stick around, see myself or any of our great product specialists. We'd love to sign you up. As always, thank you for your time, and once again, welcome to Chevrolet.
Is it possible to see the engine? Can't open it? Do we know what the pricing is?
It'll be out of the summer.
raising the bar yet again with the newest member to the broadest, freshest lineup of SUVs and crossovers. Introducing the all-new contemporary mid-size SUV, this is the 2019 Chevrolet Blazer. Now this is a vehicle with an attitude, and it showcases the bold new look of Chevrolet design. Its athletic appearance commands attention with its wide stance, tight proportions, and high belt line. The powerful front end shows muscular hood lines and low-place HID headlamps for easy identification of the Blazer's presence in the SUV market. Now each model has distinct styling cues to please different customer tastes. For example, our Premier model has premium leather and chrome accents, while the RS next to me has more of a sporty, aggressive look with a blacked out front grille and doors that open to striking red interior accents. Now there's a number of options to choose from, such as 20 or 21-inch wheels or a dual-pane panoramic power sunroof, so you can customize the Blazer to fit your lifestyle. But the Blazer is so much more than just its striking good looks. It's powered by two engines that are available that both use the intelligent stop-start technology. The standard 2.5-liter inline four-cylinder has optimal fuel economy, reaching up to 27 miles per gallon on the highway, while the 3.6-liter V6 can tow up to 4,500 pounds. Now that's more than both the Ford Edge and the Nissan Murano. What's great though is the driver is always in control. The traction mode select allows the driver to react to changing road conditions on the fly, so they can switch between modes without stopping. That means all-wheel drive control with front-wheel drive fuel efficiency. Now inside, the Blazer over-delivers. You and your passengers are going to be satisfied with the generous amount of space and high-quality materials. This vehicle will adapt to your needs with a second row that slides, folds, and reclines, providing optimal comfort and convenience. No matter where you're traveling, we're going to make sure you stay connected on the go with the most advanced infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The 8-inch color touchscreen is customizable for the driver, and the passengers in the back can enjoy all the benefits of 4G LTE Wi-Fi and the next-gen wireless charging system. On top of all of this, the Blazer is going to give you peace of mind with a number of safety technologies. You are surrounded by protection with a high-strength safety cage body structure and innovative features such as side blind zone alert, rear cross traffic alert, and a standard rear vision camera. We even have some newer safety technologies such as surround vision with active tow. This is a 4-camera system giving a bird's eye view of the vehicle and its surroundings, and the driver can easily hook up and go, getting to their destination even faster. So the all-new 2019 Blazer. This is for the customer who wants distinct styling, outstanding capability, and versatile utility. It is available at your local dealerships now and has a starting price just under $30,000. Now we do have a Blazer on the show floor if you'd like to get inside one and check it out. If you have any questions, my name is Maria. Please feel free. Welcome to Chevrolet. We're happy to have you here with us today.
Is it possible to see the engine?
I can't pop the hoods, unfortunately.
No?
So,
Okay.
yeah.
But there is an identical one of this on the floor, you said?
There is, yep, right in the middle of the display.
Okay. And you can go inside that one or not?
Yep, you can. So you can get a closer look at the interior.
Well, when did this come out? I wasn't even aware that this was a vehicle yet.
You weren't aware of the Blazer? It's
I
new.
mean-
It's just hitting the lots now, first quarter.
Right, so I mean, I thought it was like just a concept. I didn't know it like went into production already.
Yep, it's available.
Okay. Cool.
So yeah. So send it to me, or what was the name of the YouTube again?
Internal combustion.
Internal Combustion. I will
Yeah.
take a look.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're bringing together towing capability, greater capability than ever before, and technology, giving you world-class trailering experiences. So to my left, we're introducing the new 3500 heavy-duty Denali dually, and to my right, the first ever 2500 Sierra heavy-duty AT4. Beautiful. New purpose-built for 2020. Unique personality and off-road capability. So let me go around and open up some of the doors for you as you check the vehicles out. Some changes have been made. We have larger vehicle proportions inside, giving you maximum best-in-class front head and leg room. So that'll be unique to you. I'm about 5'9.5", so believe me, when I get out, I don't want to get out. So let's go ahead and open up this door here. We have a higher seating position so that you can have a commanding view over that wheel and over the dash and hood. Very convenient. And when you sit inside, ladies and gentlemen, you have your Denali specific forged leather appointed seat, authentic open pore wood trim, real aluminum decor. Just beautiful, and innovations as well. So inside, you notice there's a rear view mirror, but you say, well, yeah, every vehicle has that. But it's not your regular rear view mirror, it's a rear view camera mirror that's conventional usage or camera based. So that means if there's any obstructions inside of the cab, it will still be able to see around and behind, no problem. But what's new for this year, on a heavy duty, segment exclusive, a 15-inch multi-color heads-up display. Have you heard of the heads-up display? Not yet? Okay, so I'll tell you how this works. So it actually gets your truck-specific information and projects it onto your windshield so that you can keep your eyes on the road. You got it? Okay, we're gonna come around just to the front again. Because you're probably wondering, well, what's underneath the hood? The capability, it has increased significantly for 2020. Over exceeding 30,000 pounds, ladies and gentlemen. And that trailering strength stems not only from the new body frame and optimized body structure, but the rigid driveline components that is made to accommodate that tremendous amount of torque. So along with the torque, you wonder, well, what is the torque? I'll tell you. It's something that lies at the core of this vehicle, and it has been re-engineered since 2017. Ladies and gentlemen, the powerful 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel delivering at 445 horsepower, and 910 pound-feet of torque. Somebody say wow.
Wow.
Just amazing, right? Can we handle this? So we now have paired it with the 10-speed automatic transmission. First time for a heavy duty, and it's still in Allison. So now with this new transmission, the gear shifts are optimized, giving you more power, more efficiency, and more torque. You got it. Ladies and gentlemen, are you towing anything this year? Okay, but for those people who have not, we're making it a lot easier for you with the ProGrade trailering system designed specifically for towing. Now I need your help with this part. We have a lot of camera views that you can utilize. How many camera views do you think you have? Take a guess. Just throw out some numbers.
6.
4, 6, keep going.
12.
Go big. You were close though.
13.
Almost there.
14. 15.
There you go, 15 camera views, ladies and gentlemen. Unique to the heavy duty. Okay, so you're probably like, okay, give you one view. The transparent trailering view. It stitches together views from the cameras behind the tailgate, okay? So that you'll be able to see virtually straight through your trailer, almost like an x-ray. So then you'll be able to see the sides, both sides, and behind the trailer. So that won't affect anything. And the other views are very unique as well. So now we have a trailering app. You know the saying, there's an app for that. We've got it. So with your smartphone app, you'll be able to check and create your custom truck profiles. Check your tires, the temperature of your tires on your trailer, pre-departure checklists, all through my GMC mobile app. Now with your unique smart trailering system, that new technology, that will work through in-vehicle infotainment system. So that works through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So what kind of phone do you have? You're an Apple user?
iPhone.
iPhone. Okay, so you're connecting with the cord, and I'm an Android user. So we're all set either way it goes. Ladies and gentlemen, you can configure this truck different ways, but with you have that in-command control system and ASA electronics, you'll also be able to turn your air conditioning on or off without setting foot out of the truck. You can check your water tank levels, the holding levels, the fuel, the generator, etc. And you can even turn the lights on and off before you get out of your truck and before you make it to your destination. So that's how unique that is. And still on your MyGMC mobile app. So follow me around to the rear of the truck. There is a purpose-built box. There's more to see to it than just the front and the sides. But we've lowered the bed size purposely for better clearance on your gooseneck and trailering, fifth wheel towing. We've added in the corner step bumper, made it larger, and a new class exclusive bedside step. So when that trailer that I mentioned earlier is in place, you can still access the bed through the steps, okay? So you have that capability. We lowered the bed floor by an entire inch. So that makes it easier loading and unloading your cargo. So I'm gonna come on this side just for a second, close this up for you. You spent a lot of time. How many people have heard of the multi-pro tailgate? Uh-oh. Let's see. Okay, so this is actually standard on the SLT, Denali, and the AT4, which is right next to me right now. Now there's 3 different ways to operate it. Inside you have the key fob. You can do that, or the cab. There's a switch there, but we're gonna go old school and press the button right there. And voila, that's the first step. Now inside, you have your load stop. So if you have longer items, it'll basically elongate everything so you can fit it more secure to keep it safe. You have your tie downs, which are new for this year, we have more. And when you're done, let's go ahead and close that up. Press the bottom button touchpad for your inner gate. And now you have closer access to the bed. All right? And but wait, there's more. Don't blink. It converts into a step. You got it? So now I can't get inside because I have the dress on, but I do have the assist bar, just in case. It makes it easier to get in and out, and it holds 375 pounds. Okay? So we'll take a seat for a second, and we have a tailgate party, but it's no party without the what?
Cup holder.
Cup holders and
Grill.
Music. You got it. He said grill, that is true. So now we have the kicker sound system that's available to you. It's not in here now, but you can check it out right on the floor. We have our Denali, and he's doing demonstrations, so before you leave, be sure to tune into that. So let's go ahead and close up. I have a couple more positions. There we go. The second tier of cargo, if you need a little bit more space up top, just press your top button. There you go. And now you have access to that second tier. You can protect or elongate your bed with the load stop up. And when you're all done, fold that load stop down. And there you have it. You can complete your conversation or your checklist. And remember, you have a 120-volt power outlet right in the corner. So if you need your laptop, you can use it there too. Ladies and gentlemen, the Multi-Pro tailgate, the most innovative tailgate ever. There's so much more to discover about the Sierra Heavy Duty. It will be available this summer. There's no pricing just yet, but when you're ready to tow heavy items, Sierra Heavy Duty is the truck for you. With a bold expression for heavy duties and innovation. I'm Brandy. If you have further questions, I'll be happy to answer them for you, or you can ask any of our knowledgeable product specialists on the floor. And there we go. And if you're looking for any incentives, be sure to ask if anything applies to you specifically. Enjoy the show. Welcome to GMC.
Yeah. You get a good shot?
I did. Thank you very much. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Are you guys able to open the hood?
Ew. Oh, you know what? We haven't, but we could.
Yeah.
Yeah, the only thing is we have like the battery pack inside. So, yeah.
Yeah, I'd like to see under it if you could.
Okay.
All right.
The 6.6 Duramax diesel.
Does that one have the same engine?
Yeah, same.
Okay. All right, thanks a lot, guys. good, but they're not the best I've felt. The Mustang Bullet, I like those the best.
Like the way they
Look
feel.
cool though. It's all this stuff down here. Center differential. I didn't know you could do that. Adjust the torque vectoring. It's pretty sick. Let's look at the engine. So what do we got ourselves here? A 2-liter flat 4. Intercooler up top with a functional hood scoop. Seam. Air comes through and I can't see.
Want to do it?
Nah. You look better anyways. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Bye guys. Have a good day.
Okay, I'm done then. You can close it. I want to watch though again. Oh.
So we're a company called Recon Campers. We build this conversion based on a Nissan NV200 platform.
Okay.
So this particular one is obviously the most deluxe one we've ever built. It's got fridge, freezer, water heater, hot shower out the back, solar panels on the roof. We've got an awning that goes out 7.5 feet, which kind of puts it out further than the enclosure here, so we can't set it up right now. You've got bike racks, roof racks, crossbars, portable stove, sink with hot water. So it has pretty much everything you would have in a full-size RV.
Okay.
You know, we've got a little control panel that controls everything in the car, the water tank levels, the temperature inside and outside, all your light switches, so you don't need to have any manual. It's just like using an iPad. You just push it.
So yeah, you're pretty comfy up there, and you're a tall guy. You're over 6 foot, obviously, right?
I'm 6'4", yeah. This is 7.5 foot.
Okay.
So there's plenty of room to take a nap, relax. You know, we usually have a cushion that goes up here, but not for the show.
Nice. You don't have to get a hotel for the show. You just stay in your own.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So, I mean, is this kind of the new age Volkswagen van then? Is that what you'd call it, or?
Well, I mean, it's a camper van. It definitely is replacing a lot of the aging Volkswagens with, you know, airbags, in-seat airbags.
Yeah.
You know, fridges that work all the time. You don't have to level the car up. Water heater, which you'd never have had in an old school Volkswagen. So just a lot of people were looking for the amenities and the size of a Volkswagen, but they didn't want to deal with the reliability of the 30. I mean, they're 30 years old now since Volkswagen worked, so I kind of wanted to replace that.
And can you tell us what the starting price is? I forgot if you mentioned that or not.
This one has every option we offer, and it's about 58. This is called our Envy model, which is everything inside, and then optional things would be outside awnings, bike racks, solar. Most of our builds run around 50, 52, 53, but we have conversions that start as low as $7,000 over the base price of the van. So it just depends. We have a lot of options. So you can go to our website and see all the different options. We don't want to fix somebody into, hey, this is what you have to buy. You can look at it, pick, I want this, I want that, I want this, and kind of build it up so that you can get exactly what you want. You're not paying for something you'll never use.